Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we would be clarifying our simple doubts between what are files in Salesforce versus what are the documents. So in our Salesforce Lightning, if we see in the default sales tab view, we could see this option as files. Okay, either we can directly click in here, or what we could do is we could search down the files and we would be landing over to this tab only. So files displays the list of items that you have uploaded. So it shows the various hierarchy like owned by me, the shared by me, recent, following, or the associated libraries that is there. So by default there is one asset library, and in here we could add new folders, add files, as well as we could add members also, like who would be having access to which type of file. So let's suppose, since this is a standard file, so this is a trailhead logo one, right? And in our file we have generally certain items and links. So first is our download link, share link, and a public link. Okay, so this is your file, a structure, just a overview of file, correct? And for the document one, so let's suppose we need to see the document. So we aren't able to find this in here, right? So what we are gonna do is we need to go to Salesforce Classic, and in our Salesforce Classic one we would be finding this documents tab. So let me find this for you. So this is our documents tab, and for now I just have uploaded this dummy image as a document. So this is our previous video for the server-side pagination series. So if you haven't watched it yet, I kindly recommend you to watch this, because this is a part by part series and that would be help you to understand the basic concepts. So this is a document, correct? And what are the features of the document is, like if we want to do this for internal use only, for our internal members only, or the people having access to Salesforce only, so we would be using this internal only. Externally available image would be referring to our community and portal sites. Document content searchable means, like if we search this content in the documents, let's suppose in here, then it should be there like this. So currently we are having just one only, so basically it deals with that thing. And if let's suppose any other person doesn't want to have this document content searchable, then this document won't be able to access to other persons, correct? So this was just a basic difference between file and document. But what is on the object level? Ideally everything in Salesforce we could term as an object only. So let's query out some things. So can we search for files? Okay, let me just enhance this. So select ID from file. I can't see anything called file. See, not supported. Yeah. And if I query for document, is there anything of the document? Yes, we could see is ID, and let's say other thing would be name. So if we query, see, this is our server side pagination, so it gave me the document, right? But now I need this file also. So from where I can get this is, just remember, a document is to the Salesforce Classic. So what is to the Salesforce Lightning is ID from content document. Okay, so and title. So this is your content document, basically a file. Okay, so now the main scenario or the main difference lies between the object structures, that this one is a content document and other is a simple document. Moreover, now let's say currently this file is not being shared, I guess. So let's see. Yeah, there is option to create a expiration date for the public link and the password also. So if you create all these things off, so when you create a link, it allows you to create a link, and ideally what it does is it creates a entry for content distribution. Okay, so it would create a content distribution public URL, and if you copy this URL, you would be able to see the Trailhead logo. And in this, what would be there is there would be one option to download this also. Okay, now let's suppose you delete this link because you now no longer want this to be a public link. Now you again query this, so what would be happening is you won't be able to see any records in here. Okay, so now on a higher level, what is the difference between Salesforce and a document is like that a file is a new way to store your files. Moreover, there is one more thing: attachments are different things and file is a different thing, so both are different objects. Moreover, the third difference is document tab is not available to our Lightning because it is only for the classic view. And ideally what it should be like is document should be replaced by files only, because this is the new generation or the new age thing. Moreover, your file supports versioning also. Let's suppose the file version 1, version 2, version 3, and it could be referenced in multiple objects. One file could be referenced in multiple objects, so we can utilize that part of the files in there. Moreover, we can separate files into libraries, and based on the library access level we could have the different access level for our files also. So I hope you got a basic difference between what is a document and what is a file. So that's it for now. In the next parts we would be going deep down into all these things. So yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot and have a good day.